Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quick fix that you have SOS only here on your iPhone. So in Europe you have here E, which is the emergency, but in the US you have the SOS only. So at first check the coverage. So if you are, for example, in the forest or in the basement, here you will have the weak signal. You have to go outside the forest or outside your basement to have the strong signal. Move outside to a higher spot, if indoors of course. The second option, if you are already in the great signal place, you have to now open the control center by swiping down from your top of the screen and tap on the plane icon, which is the airplane mode. Now it's enabled, and after a few seconds disable this mode. It should help you. If it didn't help you, you have to restart your iPhone, power it off and back on, or do a force restart if your phone is frozen. So you just have to hold the volume at first, volume up, click, volume down, click, and hold the side button. It will do a force restart on your iPhone. And you have to hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Now. And apart from that, you have to check the carrier settings update. So go to settings, general and about, and if carrier update is available, you will see a prompt. It's very important to update it from time to time so that you won't have the SOS only sign. Go to settings, as I said, go to general, scroll down to general and tap about. Here you'll see a prompt that you have to here update your settings and your SIM, and it should work for you. But if you here don't have any update, and here you'll see SOS still, connect to a Wi-Fi network and update your iOS. So here in general, tap on software update. Here if you have some update, tap update and it should work. Especially when you have the iOS 26 developer beta or iOS 26 public beta, it may sometimes be here. And if you don't have any updates here, you have to check your SIM card or the eSIM. If you are using a physical SIM, like in Europe, as I said, you have to check if you here have some dust. So at first, let's remove our SIM card from our phone. We have to have a SIM card reopener. Here now we have to pull that, and here we do have our SIM. Here if you have some dust, you have to clean it. Here try to wipe it using the wax cotton ear sticks, but without water of course. If you have here some dust, you have to clean it. And now we can place our SIM back again on our SIM card tray. Now, as you can see, it's well placed. As I can see, we have to now place our SIM back again in our iPhone here. Wait a moment. It's correct. My mistake, and now we can place it in our iPhone back again. The SIM should be now well prepared for us, and it should be done, and the issue should be fixed. But if you have still the issue, you have to reset your network settings. And how to do that? Enter settings and go to general back again as earlier. Here go to transfer or reset iPhone at the bottom of your screen, tap that, and here you'll see reset. Not this option, not erase iPhone, reset here. Here, as you can see, we have reset all settings and network settings. We have tap here network settings. Let's tap that and reset network settings. This erased saves Wi-Fi password and VPNs, but can fix network issues. So, if you have some Wi-Fi networks without and you don't know the password now, you have to first prepare your password for the Wi-Fi networks and as well VPNs. And it should fix the issue actually. But if it's still not working, you have to contact your carrier itself. Your plan may be inactive or there may be an outage in your carrier services. If you just switch carriers, your phone may to be unlocked. If nothing works, it could be a hardware issue, for example antenna, simulator. Try to, of course, switch the SIMs with your, for example, friend, family, and if it works with another SIM, the issue is your SIM card. Or if it still doesn't work, it's a hardware issue, and you have to go into the Apple Store or our authorized repair service, and the repair may be needed. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it and hope it helps you actually. And if you have some drawbacks or questions to this video, ask them in the comments below. Goodbye!